Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain IP spoofing countermeasures. Okay, so please like and subscribe. Okay, let's start. IP spoofing countermeasures. Okay, in ethical hacking, the ethical hacker, also known as a pen tester, has to perform an additional task that a normal hacker does not follow. Okay, that is applying countermeasures to the respective vulnerabilities determined through hacking. Okay, this is essential because knowing security loopholes in your network is worthless unless you take measures to protect them against real hacker. Okay, as mentioned previously, IP spoofing is one of the techniques that hacker employs to break into the target network. Okay, in order to protect your network from the external hacker, you should apply IP spoofing countermeasures to your network security settings. Okay, so the following are few IP spoofing countermeasures that you can apply. Okay, so first is avoid trust relationship. It means attacker may spoof themselves as a trusted host and send malicious packet to you. Okay, if you accept those packet by considering that the packet are sent by your trusted host, okay, then you get infected. Okay, it is advisable to test the packet even when they come from one of your trusted hosts. You can avoid this problem by implementing password authentication along with trust relationship based authentication. Okay, second countermeasures is use firewalls and filtering mechanism. Okay, you should filter all the incoming and outgoing packet to avoid attacks and sensitive information loss. Okay, the incoming packets may be the malicious packet coming from the attacker. Okay, if you do not employ any kind of incoming packet filtering mechanism such as firewall, then the malicious packet enter your private network and causes severe the loss. Okay, you can use access control list to block unauthorized access. Okay, at the same time there is also possibilities of insider attackers. Okay, these attackers send sensitive information about your business to your competitors. Okay, this also leads to great monetary loss or other issues. Okay, there is one more risk of outgoing packet, which is when attackers succeed in installing malicious sniffing program running in hidden mode on your network. Okay, these programs gather and send all your network information to the attacker without giving any notifications. Okay, this can be figured out by filtering the outgoing packets. Therefore you should give the same importance to the scanning of outgoing packet as that of the incoming packets data scanning. Okay, next is use random initially sequence numbers. Okay, most of the device choose their ISN based on timeout counters. Okay, this makes the ISNs predictable as it is easy for a malicious person to determine the concept of generating the ISN. Okay, an attacker can determine the ISN of the next TCP connection by analyzing the ISN of the current section or connection. Okay, if the attacker can predict the ISN, then he or she can make a malicious connection to the server and sniff your network traffic. Okay, to avoid this risk you should use random initial sequence numbers. Okay, next is ingress filtering. Okay, prohibiting spoof traffic from entering the internet is the best way to block it. Okay, this can be achieved with the help of ingress filtering. Ingress filtering apply on router enhance the functionality of the routers and block spoof traffic. Okay, it can be implemented in many ways. Configuring and using access control list that drops packet with source addresses outside the defined range is one way to implement ingress filtering. Okay, so this is the ingress filtering. Next, egress filtering. Egress filtering refers to practice that aims at IP spoofing prevention by blocking the outgoing packets with the source addresses that is not inside. Okay. Next is use encryption. If you want to attain maximum network security, then use strong encryption for all the traffic placed onto the transmission media without considering its type and locations. Okay, this is the best solution for IP spoofing attacks. Attacker usually tend to find target that can be compromised easily. Okay, if the attacker wants to break into encrypted network, then he or she has to face a whole slews of encrypted packet, which is difficult task. Okay, the attacker try to find another target that can be easily compromised or attempt other technique to break into the network. Okay, use the latest encryption algorithm that provide strong securities. Okay, and last is synchronized flooding countermeasures. Okay, countermeasures against synchronized flooding attacks can also help you to avoid IP spoofing attacks. Okay, beside these basic countermeasures, you can perform the following to avoid IP spoofing attacks. Okay, so first is you should limit the access to configuration information on machine. Okay, next you should always disable commands like ping. Okay, and you should reduce TTL fields in TCP or IP request, and you should use multi-layer firewalls. Okay, so this is the synchronized flooding countermeasures. Okay, thank you for watching.